Oh, it's thick. This is thick. It's no frizz. What is in this? It's no frizz. None.
Whatever you wanna do, I'm over 42 and I do not want no chaser. And you need a nigga to handle your attitude, but I'm a nigga with paper.
What's up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're finally back to the natural hair videos. The freaking protective style is gone. Like, sis was taking up all my video time. Like, I couldn't think of anything else to do for a video. So since she is gone, I can finally do more and more videos for natural hair. So for this video, I have decided to try the main choice. They have a mask that I tried. It's not new, but it's new to me, so that means it's new to you guys. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my hair fully stretched out. And also, I would say that this would now be one of my holy grails because this has transformed my hair. If you are looking for a really good mask, I would definitely recommend this one. You guys will see. And then everything else that you will see in this video, I will walk you through in the captions. Hope you enjoy it.
I'm gonna be using, can it focus? I'm gonna be using this. This is the Miracle Mud Mask. Good enough to use on all hair types. So I'm gonna try this out. The first ingredient is water, the second is shea butter, the third is castor oil, and the fourth is glycerin. So we gonna see. I like to have my hair dripping wet. I'm just using the rest of this aloe just because. I just spray my hair. I like to have my hair dripping wet, and I like to do it out of the shower just because I like to take my time, and when I'm in the shower, I'm in sort of a rush. This is what it looks. Ooh, it's thick. This is thick. This is so thick. Oh, ooh. This is so thick. Ooh. I like this. Definitely has that muddy feel, if that makes any sense. Like, it feels like a hair mask. It smells good. It kind of just smells like vitamins, if that makes any sense. Oh my god, my hair loves this. Ooh. It's no frizz. Okay, wait, hold up. My hair is just eating this up. I like to re-wet it and run it back, because the smoothing process is super important. Look at that. That is crazy. Yo, my hair loves this. Oh my gosh. This is before. This is before. And this is after. I'm gonna do the other half of my hair, and then I'm gonna be right back.
A few moments later.
Like 2 hours later, or 3 hours later, I wrap my head in a plastic bag, and I also use this, and then I just wrap it, boom, boom, to lock the heat in, and my hair is extremely hot. Take my hair down. Oh, y'all, my hair feels like butter. Hair is never. My hair has never felt like this. I can't explain it. It feels like butter. Do y'all see this? What is in this? My fingers glide straight through. Okay, so moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh no, no ma'am. Look at this. My hair feels like hair. My hair hasn't felt like this in a long time. Look at the shine. I really don't know. I really don't know what to say. Like, my hair feels so soft. Okay, so let me just tell you guys. Let me tell you guys. So it feels soft. It's shiny. I don't feel any breaking, no pulling. This will detangle like no other. My hair doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel like it's a film over it. Let me do this. I'm gonna get my island oil. Since I don't have any more Batika oil. Oh my gosh. What's in this? My hair hasn't felt this moisturized in a minute. It feels moisturized, but like now my hair is so easy to manage right now. Like, it's crazy how my freaking hair is acting right now. Like, no lie, I think I found, oh my god, my hair feels so good. I think I found my staple product. Like, no lie, no. This right here is a holy grail. I mean, like, if you have kids and their hair is hard to manage, and you want something that just works, no ifs, ands, or buts, it just works. Okay. Do y'all see this? No frizz. It's no frizz. None. It never is this easy for me to get through my freaking hair, man. Look at that, no frizz. None. No frizz. super bouncy. Let me turn this around. This is how my hair turned out. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.